CrowdStrike NG-SIEM explained through interview questions. Top questions and answers. Question. What is CrowdStrike NG-SIEM? Answer. CrowdStrike NG-SIEM is a cloud-native, AI-driven security information and event management solution built on the Falcon platform that provides unified visibility, threat detection, investigation, and response. Question. How is NG-SIEM different from traditional SIEM? Answer. NG-SIEM eliminates infrastructure management, provides real-time analytics, uses AI-powered detections, scales automatically, and unifies XDR telemetry instead of relying only on log ingestion. Question. What platform hosts CrowdStrike NG-SIEM? Answer. CrowdStrike NG-SIEM runs on the CrowdStrike Falcon platform. Question. What is Falcon LogScale? Answer. Falcon LogScale is CrowdStrike's high-speed log management and analytics engine used by NG-SIEM for ingesting, storing, and querying telemetry data. Question. What types of data can NG-SIEM ingest? Answer. Endpoint telemetry, cloud logs, identity logs, network data, third-party security tools, applications, and infrastructure logs. Question. What is XDR in CrowdStrike? Answer. Extended detection and response. XDR correlates data across endpoints, identity, cloud, and third-party tools to detect advanced threats. Question. Explain detection rules in NG-SIEM. Answer. Detection rules analyze ingested data using queries and behavioral analytics to identify suspicious or malicious activity. Question. What query language is used in Falcon LogScale? Answer. Falcon LogScale uses a pipeline-based query language optimized for high-speed log analytics. Question. What is real-time detection? Answer. Real-time detection continuously analyzes streaming data to identify threats immediately as events occur. Question. What is data normalization? Answer. Data normalization standardizes logs from different sources into a common schema for consistent analysis. Question. What are detection use cases? Answer. Examples include brute force login detection, privilege escalation, malware execution, suspicious network activity, and lateral movement. Question. How does NG-SIEM support threat hunting? Answer. It provides fast search capabilities, historical telemetry access, and advanced query analytics for proactive threat hunting. Question. What is event correlation? Answer. Event correlation links related activities across different systems to identify complex attack patterns. Question. What are dashboards in NG-SIEM? Answer. Dashboards provide visual monitoring of security metrics, alerts, trends, and operational insights. Question. What is an alert in NG-SIEM? Answer. An alert is generated when detection logic identifies suspicious or malicious behavior. Question. Explain automated response capability. Answer. NG-SIEM integrates with Falcon workflows to automatically isolate hosts, block indicators, or trigger response actions. Question. What role does AI play in NG-SIEM? Answer. AI assists with anomaly detection, behavioral analysis, threat prioritization, and investigation acceleration. Question. What is log retention? Answer. Log retention defines how long collected data is stored for analysis and compliance purposes. Question. How does NG-SIEM improve investigation speed? Answer. By correlating endpoint, identity, and cloud telemetry within a single platform, reducing tool switching. Question. What integrations are supported? Answer. Cloud providers, identity platforms, firewalls, SaaS applications, EDR tools, and custom log sources. Question. What is a parser in NG-SIEM? Answer. A parser extracts structured fields from raw log data during ingestion. Question. What are saved searches? Answer. Saved searches allow analysts to reuse frequently executed threat hunting queries. Question. Explain multi-tenant support. Answer. NG-SIEM supports multiple environments or customers with isolated data and access controls. Question. What is RBAC in CrowdStrike? Answer. Role-based access control restricts system access based on user roles and permissions. Question. What is MITRE ATT and CK mapping? Answer. Detections are mapped to MITRE ATT and CK tactics and techniques for structured threat analysis. Question. How does NG-SIEM handle scalability? Answer. It automatically scales using cloud-native architecture without requiring hardware provisioning. Question. What is data enrichment? Answer. Data enrichment adds contextual information such as threat intelligence, user identity, or asset details to events. Question. What is threat intelligence integration? Answer. NGSIEM uses CrowdStrike intelligence feeds to detect known malicious indicators and adversary activity. Question. What is investigation workflow? Answer. A structured process combining alerts, timelines, related events, and automated actions to analyze incidents. Question. Why is NGSIEM considered cloud native? Answer. Because it operates fully in the cloud, requiring no infrastructure deployment while delivering elastic scalability and continuous updates. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.